Welcome to my YouTube channel TechZone by Alice. In this video, we are going to see how you can create a certificate design. Let's say you want to create a certificate, but you can have your business logo, your content, and you can add any name here. To whom you want to give the certificate, you can do this easily by watching this video. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search the certificate. As you can see that number of templates are available here. Then you have to choose a template for your certificate. So choose it. Then you have to click on Customize this template. As you can see that number of templates are also available here. Now you want to change this text. So just click on it, select the text and enter the text that you want. Next, if you want to change the position of the text, so you can do it easily by dragging it. If you want to increase or decrease the size of text, you can do it easily. You can also resize and change the badge from the elements. Now let's say that you want to add your logo. To certificate, to do that, just click on Upload, then select the file and click Open. After that, you can see the uploading is started here. Just after the completion of uploading, your file is added here. Now just resize it or drag where you want to locate it. After it, delete the second page from here. Now you can check your certificate. Then click on Share on the top right corner. Now click on Download. As you can see that our downloading is started here. Just after the completion of downloading, you can see it in your PC or mobile. Thanks for watching.